Hi, this is Bruce Collins, Senior Director of Product Line Management at Cambium Networks. We're very excited to be introducing our new Cambium fiber platform. This is the latest set of products in the Cambium One Network portfolio, and now we can complement all of our wireless and enterprise products now with a fiber solution. So I'm going to focus in this video on the OLT. You'll see other videos that talk about our ONT or other devices, but the hallmark of the Cambium fiber solution is simplicity. The portfolio is simple, the management is simple, and the maintenance is simple. So we really look at how do we take the complexity out of deploying fiber, make it as simple as deploying the wireless part of the portfolio, and then make it manageable across the board. So I can mix and match wireless and wireline fiber type products. So let's focus on the OLT. What I've got here is a 16-port OLT. We also have an 8-port OLT. This sits at the head end and provides, as I mentioned, either 8 or 16 ports of downlink PON. And this is a Combo PON latest technology, so you can mix and match GPON optics with XGS-PON optics, and I can mix those port by port as I add those devices. Those devices are sold separately, so I can build out the ports as I need them and as that capacity demand increases. So you'll see here's my the PON ports. And really encourage you to check out the Combo PON because that really gives you that flexibility of serving your 1 gigabit customers up to 2.4 gigabit per second with the GPON, or go all the way up to the 10 by 10 gigabit per second with the XGS-PON or the Combo PON. In the uplink transceiver direction, there's 4 ports on here. There's an XSFP, two XSFP ports that can give you up to 40 or 100 gigabit per second uplink directions. You can also deploy this with 2 SFP plus ports, which are that 10 and 25 gigabit per second uplink direction. So again, those are sold separately, and you can decide what kind of uplink capacity you need for those uplink ports. There's also a console port here that you can do out-of-band management with the device. Other than that, it's a quite simple box. You could rack mount it, you can stack these. For resilience and reliability, we have 2 dual redundant hot swappable power supplies. What I'm showing here is an AC power supply, and then there's a block here that you can put in a secondary supply. So for example, you can put an AC supply and a DC, a neg 48 volt supply. The AC will take priority and it can fail over to the DC input. And then there's also a slide out fan assembly here that you can field replace as needed for the fan assembly. But otherwise, you can see it's a pretty simple box. Everything goes in from the front of the rack, and you can see we kind of talked about how you can build and grow this over time, starting with say a single uplink and a single downlink, and grow that over time to either the 8-port or 16-port OLT. And then in a separate video, we'll talk about the indoor and the outdoor ONTs that complement this, and you can build out that large network. So lots of information is available about this on our website. Go to cambiumnetworks.com. You'll see all the information about Cambium Fiber, how it fits into the One Network portfolio, and then how you can complement all of this with a common C and Maestro management interface. So thanks, and look out for more information coming from Cambium.